Here I am again, boys and girls. Guess what? I have the same clothes on because I'm doing more than one video in one day. I know, that's pretty impressive, except my hair might need cut. Okay, did that make you laugh? Today we're working on the cumulative review. That means more than one, just what we've learned this chapter. It's going to be about our dictionary. It could be about the atlas. It could be about finding words. So this is going to help you in your test that you're going to take tomorrow. So remember, when you're looking up things in your book or math book or whatever, it's going to tell you at the beginning where you might find that. So let's look at number 1. On which pages would you look to find group problem solving activities? So look in the purple section to your right. On pages 13 through 14, grouping principle for addition and subtraction. Maybe. Let's look at the next one, 179 to 180. Do you see 179 to 180? Yeah, that's a $50. Let's look at 322 to 330. Look down till you find 322 to 302. Oh, there it is. It says group problem solving. So the answer for that would be what? Correct, 322 to 330. All right, so look at your guide on the right-hand side, and it will help you to know what page you need to find that on. All right, let's look down at the next section, section B. Write the letter of the resource. So resources are like your atlas, your encyclopedia that we're using when we did our reports, maybe a dictionary. So let's look at the first one. What is the definition of feeble? You would probably look that up in a, correct, dictionary. So you would put a C. Let's look at number 7. That one's kind of confusing. How will I find out whether this library has any books for C.S. Lewis? Well, we don't have it now because we have a computer system. But in the old days, we had to go to the card catalog, and we would look under the card catalog under the meaning. So number 7 is actually D, card catalog. And you don't probably know that because we don't use those anymore. All right, let's turn over the page. This one is using quotation marks. And as I was grading your phonics or your language papers, boys and girls, some of you forgot to put the quotation marks at the beginning of what they said and at the end of what they said. It's kind of holding it in your hands. So remember, where they started talking and where they end talking needs to have quotation marks. Okay? So let's look at number 10. Mrs. Johnson asked. Okay, what did she ask? Quotation mark. Would you girls like to make peanut butter cookies? And at the end, quotation mark. So what she started and where she finished. All right, think about putting your hands around it and holding what she says. Okay? All right, make sure you put quotation marks after the ending, after the comma, after the question mark at the end of the sentence. Make sure that you put them all the way at the end. Okay, good job. Let's look at number 17 through 20. Decide whether the underlined pronoun is singular or plural. More than one or just one? Is it talking about one person or more than one person? Okay, let's look at the next section, 21 through 25. This one is underline the pronoun in each sentence. You will only find one pronoun per sentence. Remember, a pronoun is something that takes place of a noun. All right, boys and girls, make sure you understand this because all of this will be on your test tomorrow. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, you know what?